Keep the resistors you have, and this time line them up on the breadboard in parallel like so. Measure the equivalent resistance for 2. Three. And 4 resistors. You should see another pattern, which you should write in the sentence form indicated on your instructions. Use the R equals rho L over A formula again, but this time write a formula for the combined cross-sectional area of the circuit instead of the length, and use that to write an equation for the combined resistors in terms of individual resistors. Check with your teacher here. Now use that equation to come up with the general formula for the equivalent resistance in parallel for N resistors. Now put resistors R3 and R4 in parallel. Predict the equivalent resistance and then measure it to make sure your formula works. Once you've done that, put resistors R2 and R3 in parallel and connect them to a battery pack, like I'm doing now. Don't forget to draw your diagram nice and big. Once again, use loop rule, junction rule, Ohm's law, and your derived formula to predict the current through R2, current through R3, voltage across R2, and voltage across R3. Also be sure to label the diagram. Measure and compare with predicted values, then check with your teacher. In the next video will be a short tutorial for Part C.